If you want to get into real estate, but you don't have a lot of money to invest initially up front, I have a strategy that you should consider. Hi, I'm Maura. I'm a full-time real estate investor, and I help other people get started in real estate investing so that they can have more freedom and build long-term wealth. So the strategy that I want to talk about today is called wholesaling. And what wholesaling is basically, as a wholesaler, you would contact a distressed seller. So a distressed seller is usually someone that, for some reason is not wanting to list their house on the market with a realtor for sale. Maybe they have to move out of town quickly for their job and they don't have time to get their house together or show ready to put on the market. Maybe they've inherited property and they live out of state and they can't get the house cleaned up and they would rather just get it sold quickly without all the hassle of putting it on the market. Or, commonly divorce can lead to, a reason why you might want to work with a wholesaler. Or maybe someone has had their house on the market and it's just not selling. These are all reasons that sellers might reach out to a wholesaler to help them get their house sold. Now, a wholesaler is kind of the middleman between these distressed sellers, and usually they have a lot of relationships with buyers, usually investor buyer clients who are looking for properties that need to be rehabbed so they can either sell them or rent them out. So usually the wholesaler will step in, talk to this distressed seller, and they will come up with a purchase agreement or a contract that allows the wholesaler to then sell the house to another buyer. So the wholesaler doesn't actually have to buy the house. They just get the house under contract and then they reach out to their buyer clients and they facilitate the sale. And for their role as the intermediary, they will take a commission. And that varies greatly. It can range usually from around $1,000 all the way to $20,000 or more dollars per deal. So this is a very cool strategy because it doesn't require a lot of upfront investment. What it really requires is time, effort, hustle, and some good interpersonal skills to be successful. So it could be a good strategy. It's a good way to get into the game, build up a little nest egg, and then maybe add in another real estate strategy, like, starting to acquire rental properties or something like that.